Now, how important is it for each person listening, if you're from the US and you work in the industry, how important is it for each one of them to take the step of submitting their information and getting their voice heard?
So you need to think of yourself as part of the industry, but think of yourself as part of a congressional district, part of a state. You're those voters. You need to help educate your elected representatives on what's important.
Well, and the other part of it, in my opinion, too, is that when you think about this organized opposition to right to repair, they're putting forward very well articulated arguments as to why
Very
it should
well
go
funded.
away, and it's very well funded. But that doesn't give them the whole picture.
No.
And so when we add our voice, then we're giving added context to the entire picture, and we're helping our elected officials actually represent us and make the best possible decision for us.
Yeah,
So it's critical.